Hello children, how are you? Let's begin our new lesson. The theme of our lesson is healthy lifestyle. What is a healthy lifestyle? Let's talk about healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle is one which helps to keep and improve people's health and well-being. Many governments and non-governmental organizations work at promoting healthy lifestyle. They measure the benefits with critical health numbers including weight, blood sugar, blood pressure, and blood cholesterol. Healthy living is a lifelong effect. The ways to being healthy include healthy eating, physical activities, weight management, and stress management. Good health allows people to do many things. Now, here are 5 steps you can take to managing a healthier lifestyle. The first, include fruits and vegetables in your diet. Adding fruits and vegetables is a perfect foundation for starting a healthy routine. Drink water, manage your mental health, distress, exercise, so on. Warm-up activity. Now, let's answer some questions. The first question, do you think you have a healthy lifestyle and why? The second, is it possible to have a healthy lifestyle in modern world? How? The third, what is the better for health? Your suggestions. Now, and the first question is, do you often eat fast food? Why? The first task for you is right or wrong. Read the statements and write your answer. Agree or disagree with the statements. If it's right, put plus, and if it's wrong, put minus. The second task, read the text and answer the questions. Thousands of teenagers are overweight, says Health Farm Manager Mr. White. Many teenagers often don't know how to eat well and stay healthy like Karen. Karen was 13 years old. She weighed 110 kilos and was 155 meters tall. Karen usually had a large bowl of cereal with a few spoons of sugar for breakfast. At school, she always bought chocolate, and at break time and clearly, and every lunch time she had fried chickens and chips. In the evening, Karen usually had more fried food after she often ate a packet of biscuits or a box of chocolates in front of the television. She sometimes went out for a takeaway Chinese meal or pizza before going to bed. Karen never ate any fruit and she rarely had fresh vegetables. Her main exercise was changing the TV channel or opening the fridge door. Answer the questions. What are Karen's old habits? What is the general teenage health problem? What do you think about Health Farm? How do you think is it important to keep a diet? Look at the first list of words and word combinations. Try to put them into the correct column. The first column is names of diseases, the second people can, and the third is doctors can. Put them into the correct column. Your home task, exercise 2 and 3, page 94, student's book. Goodbye, children.